Welcome to the ACADS-BSG, CAMEL Plus and HYENA Plus web-based platform. For best app performance, we recommend using the latest version of Google Chrome. To log in, go to the ACADS-BSG website and click the Login button in the header at the top. Enter your email for the username and enter the password you set up when creating your account. When you first log in, you will find yourself on the My Company Account screen. A typical user will only have one or two options shown here. For example, they could have a CAMEL Plus account, a HYENA Plus account, or both. Some larger companies may have multiple offices with their own individual accounts for each app, so if you have been invited to more than one of these, they will appear here too. You can click the Go to Companies Workspace button on whichever app you want to launch to take you to the project list screen. From here you can create new or access existing projects. We'll cover this screen in the next video. For now, we'll navigate back to the My Company Account screen. If you are an account owner or have been assigned the administrator role, you will also see a small cog in the top right corner of the box for each app. Clicking this will open the Manage Members screen. From here, you can add new users to your account by clicking the Invite button. Type in the email address of the user you want to add, select their role, and click Send. This will send an email invite for the new user to set up their CAMEL Plus or HYENA Plus app account. One thing to note is that the platform won't allow you to add someone who has already created an account before. If you do need to do this, please lodge a support ticket via our website and we'll be able to help you out from there. You can remove users from your workspace by clicking the cog next to their name in the users list and then clicking Remove. You can also change the role of existing users by clicking the cog and then clicking Manage Access. Note that administrators are the only ones that can add and remove users from the account, and only those with user access will be able to reach the project list screen to create new and access existing projects. You can be assigned as both an administrator and a user to have full access to both these screens. The last role is the account owner, who can add and remove subscriptions and is responsible for billing and payments. This role is automatically assigned to the person creating the account. If you are the account owner, you can transfer ownership to another person with the administrator role by clicking the Owner tab here and selecting the person from the drop-down list. Lastly, if you have user access, you can quickly switch to the project list screen of the account you have open by clicking the ACADS-BSG logo up the top here. That's all for this video. For more help on platform basics, be sure to have a look at the other videos in this series that are relevant to you. Links are included in the description. Bye for now.